everyone, and welcome to another Xcode tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be learning how to make an app that's basically a login. I've done this kind of app before, but this time it's actually using a real database. We're going to be using Parse. I'll just open up Parse right now. I'm going to go to the Parse website, and here is basically the website. And currently, I already have an account. Right now, I'm just going to log out to show you how to register. So we're gonna hit sign up, and then it's gonna ask you all this info which you can enter. I'll just enter all mine. And then my password, and then it's gonna be login. And then you can enter, you don't have to enter this. And then you hit sign up. But I've already used this stuff for my account. So yeah. I'm going to log back in. I'm a really bad typer. Okay, I'm gonna create a new app, and I'm gonna call it log in, and then hit create. And so I'm gonna go back, and first I'm gonna drag this or minimize this window, and we can set up Parse. So I'm going to open up a new Xcode project, and it's going to be a single view application, and I'm just going to call it log in. This is not the example we're going to be using. We're just going to be, it's just to show you how to get it to work. So there's some code you need in the app delegate, and we're gonna copy it and paste it into this code, into this project. So I have the Parse Starter project, which you can get from online. I can show you. You can go to whatever app you want. Like, I'm gonna hit core, takes you to this window. I'm gonna go to docs, and you can look at iOS, and you can hit download, and it has the blank project, which is and you would hit it, and you would download it. It's actually pretty big. I'm just gonna cancel it because I already have it, and we're gonna be using the Swift version, as if you can see. I'll open up a new window, and I'm gonna go to where it is, which is right here. So I open up Parse Starter Project, and I go to Swift, and then I open this. And then I switch back to Xcode, and this is our project, the thing you need in the app delegate. So I'm gonna copy all this. Or I can do it from here. And then go back to Xcode, or the other window, which is right here. And I'm gonna go to app delegate, delete this, and copy this. We're gonna get some errors here because we do not have these bolts or parse. So what we need to do is I'm gonna get the I'm gonna find my SDK, which you can download from here by clicking this. So I'm gonna go back and search it up. It should be in here. Right here. So we just want bolts. Parse and Parse UI, and I'm gonna open up the Xcode window and minimize this, and I'm gonna drag it in here and copy items needed and finish. So I just added those frameworks into our app, and I'm just gonna uncomment out this, and here we can go back to Chrome to find our application ID. So I'm gonna go to my apps, log in, core, settings, and then keys. We're gonna need the application ID first. So I'm gonna get rid of this and put in the new one. And then I'm gonna get the client key, which is right here. And then copy and paste it into here, like that. And then our parse should be enabled right now. If you run, sometimes you will get these errors, 37 errors. And to fix this, I'm just gonna comment out this and run again. Oh, so these errors actually are from, you have to get some other frameworks for these bolts and parse. So the first one we need is, we're gonna get libs.dylib. We're gonna need audio toolbox. We're gonna need mobile core services. We're gonna need system configuration. We're gonna need security, store kit, and libs or libsqlite 3.dylib. That's basically all. And the errors go away. So it's supposed to send you notifications. And if you don't want this, you can go back to Xcode. I'm gonna stop it and go to appdelegate.swift, and where it says push notifications are not supported in the iOS emulator, you can just delete that line of code and this one too. And the next thing we're gonna need is, I'm gonna get some code from one of my other files. So this is a project I was working on, and I'm gonna use some code from this to demonstrate the login. I'm gonna delete these methods and paste this. And we do get some errors here because we do need to import parse and bolts. Like that. And we see there's 4 audio outlets. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna deselect usize classes and keep it as iPhone. I'm gonna drag on a label. This is log in. Trust me, this is much different from the one we made in the other login screen. It's much different because this one you can sign up and log in here. We forgot something. So I'm gonna listen to the error and it goes away as that. And then I'm gonna get 2 text fields. like that, and make them about almost the edge of the screen. Like that. And then for this one, I'm gonna put placeholder text username. And this one is gonna be password. And since it's a password, I'm gonna enter secure text entry, which means there's dots instead of the characters because you don't want someone to see your password. I'm gonna get 2 buttons. And one is gonna say sign up. I'm gonna do this, and this one's gonna be log in. And then I'm going to connect up the outlets. So this one is a new referencing outlet. This one's gonna be username. This one is password. This one is sign up. This one also has a new referencing outlet, sign up button. This one has touch up inside as login, and then a new referencing outlet as login button. Like that. And then we can run on iPhone 5S. So we're gonna enter that. First, I'm gonna sign in as, I'll enter Jeff, re-app. And I'm just gonna type in SSSS, 4 S's for the password. And then I'm gonna get rid of the password. Sign up, and then it says sign up successfully for it right here. I'm gonna hit login, and then it hits login, and you can see right here, I'm gonna go to core, user, and you can see Jeffrey app, and you cannot see the password. So this is what it's supposed to be. You can just log in or sign up first and then log in. And you could use this example and push it further. You could use it for an app like a social media like Facebook or Twitter or WhatsApp. So this is the end of the tutorial. And if you have any questions, just enter a comment below. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.